7 benefits of intermittent fasting. So intermittent fasting is a very popular weight loss method these days, but that shouldn't come as much of a surprise since, well, practices involving the abstinence of food have actually been around and found in every culture since ancient times. So as its name suggests, intermittent fasting is a nutritional approach that alternates periods of eating with periods of fasting. It's therefore not really a diet, but a food regime that tells you when to eat rather than suggests what to eat. So in this article, we will see the 7 benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 1, genes, cells, and hormones. So functional changes. When you choose to fast, your body adjusts its hormonal pattern to make fat stored more accessible for energy. So here are the most important changes uncovered by research done on intermittent fasting. Insulin. Its levels drop, which facilitate the use of fat for energy purposes. Growth hormone, or GH, plasma levels of GH increase, which contribute to the utilization of fat for energy and maximum preservation of valuable muscle tissue. Cellular repair. So the body puts in place a series of mechanisms to repair cells and eliminate waste molecules that may impair cells functioning. Gene expression. So during fasting periods, when prolonged to a deficit of 16 hours, specific genes are activated which produce enzymes called sitruins. Now these have the function of activating a cascade of a whole series of biological reactions that promote longevity and protection from many diseases. Number 2, fat loss. Intermittent fasting can help you lose fat, especially in the ab area. So intermittent fasting lends itself to this goal because, well, reducing the number of hours you eat during the day also reduces the number of meals you'll take. That makes it easier to eat fewer calories. And also, as we've previously mentioned, fat loss is aided by the hormonal changes occurring during those hours. So number 3, we have reduction of insulin resistance. So insulin resistance is a condition that characterizes type 2 diabetes, a condition that is constantly increasing worldwide. So insulin no longer acts efficiently on the cells. As a result, your blood levels actually remain high after meals. Intermittent fasting, though, seems to be able to improve the insulin sensitivity, making the action of insulin on tissues involved in lowering the blood sugar levels more efficiently. Number 4, reduction of oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. So oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are 2 very negative factors for the body and can predispose it to many diseases as well as making it age faster. Now these factors are called pro-aging, and intermittent fasting seems to partially reduce oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, helping the body to avoid developing disease in the future. Number 5, improved cardiovascular health. So intermittent fasting, it doesn't actually do anything for your heart directly, but it can reduce many risk factors for cardiovascular issues, such as your blood pressure, LDL, and total cholesterol, the inflammatory markers, and also blood sugar levels. Number 6, the promotion of cellular repair processes. So when we fast, the body begins to remove waste at a cellular level through a process called autophagy. Now this implies that all those proteins and all the organelles, the mitochondria, cell membrane tracts that are perceived as dysfunctional and they no longer are useful to the cell, they'll be destroyed. This process of autophagy serves to clean what's no longer useful in its process. So it's important that the body protects it from many diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's disease. So number 7, you've got the optimization of brain function. So the intermittent fasting improves the metabolic functions that are important to your brain's health and efficiency. These include reducing the oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, blood sugar levels, and insulin resistance. So in addition, this dietary strategy increases the levels of a molecule called BDNF, which is very important for the cerebral health. So please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching from the Spiritual Onion. Be healthy, happy, and prosperous.